Hi, Patty Mack here. I'm going to show you how to take your current teacher page on the current site and transfer it over to the new site so it looks like this. All right, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to spps.org, and when you get to this page, you need to click on Staff Login. Once you do that, you'll need to put in your username and your password and click Sign In. Right now, the menu up here on the right has changed a little, and you want to click on Site Manager. When you click on that, you will come to this page, or something similar to this page. You will not have all these on the side. I'm not sure if you have a teacher link here or just your name will come up. But I need to click on Teachers to get the teacher list. And then for the purpose of this demonstration, I am going to update Karen Mickelson's page. So I need to find that page. And there we go. And I'm going to click on Karen Mickelson. And then once this comes up, I want to go over to the drop-down menu under Actions and click Edit Page. All right, this is where we're going to have to start with doing the page layout. And the page that we want it to look similar to this. So we're going to have our name at the top. Then we're going to have some content here with a paragraph about ourselves. So we're going to add a picture. Then we're going to have another content box for content information, a content box for classes, and in Karen's case, a content box for clubs and organizations. All right, so I would suggest you open up your staff page in the old web page so you have it handy. Now we're going to go back to the new site, and the first thing we're going to do is go over here and manage apps and layout. We're going to change the layout, and we're going to click this one that says right sidebar so we can put our content information classes there and say apply. All right, so now you can see we have the main contents section and a sidebar section. We're not going to use this About Teacher section, so I want you just to click on the red X and then verify yes, you want to get rid of it. Okay, now we need to add our apps. We need to add the heading. So we're going to scroll down here. These are in alphabetical order until you come to heading. Click that and then say Create New. And we're just going to call it Name. That's where you'll type your name when you make your page. Say Create. We're going to add 3 more things that are all going to be content. So again, scroll down, click Content, Create New, and this one we're going to call it About. So that's going to be your About You paragraph. Say Create. We're going to add another content. So scroll down to Content, click on it, say Create New. This one we're going to call Contact Information. Say Create. We're going to add 1 more section. Actually, for Karen, 2 more. 1 more. Scroll down to Content. Click on Content. Click on Create New. This one, we're going to call it Classes. Say Create. And Karen had the clubs and organizations, so we're going to add 1 more. Add App. Scroll down to Content. Click Content. Create New. We're going to call it Clubs and Clubs and Organizations. Create. All right, so now we have all of our sections that we need. Now we want 3 of them to be in the sidebar. So all you need to do is, when you get the little cross, grab it and drag it over there. When you get that little gray dotted line, that you know it's where it needs to be, and you can let go. So first we have contact information. Now we're going to grab classes, and there's that line. Let go. Clubs and organizations. You can see if it goes around. If you accidentally let go somewhere, that's okay. Just grab it again and try again. So there, now I got the dotted line, and there we go. So I have name, about, contact information, classes. So my layout is how I want it to be. So we're going to go up here into the blue box and click I'm done. Great, now we just need to add the information. Click on the name box and you're going to type in your name. So we have Karen Mickelson. I think I have a capital I there, sorry. And size, this is a title, so that's good. This is where you could choose if you wanted it. As the numbers get bigger, H2, H3, H4, the text gets smaller. So we do want it to be an H1. We're going to click Save. Now we just go back up to the top to Ms. Mickelson's page button, click there, and it'll get us back to our layout page. I'm going to click the About page. All right, now this is where having your page comes in handy. I'm going to click over to Karen's page. I'm just going to copy. And you can either right click and say copy, or if that doesn't work for you, if you do Command or Control on a PC, Command C to copy it. We're going to go back to the new School Wires page, click in there. The right click doesn't work for me, so I need to do Command V as in Victor, and there we go. This text is a little small, so I'm going to highlight it, and if I go up to this feather for styles, I'm going to click smaller, which is actually bigger. Don't ask me why. So there, the text looks great, and I'm going to click right at the beginning, and I'm going to add the picture. So I find this one. It says Insert Image. It has a little picture of a mountain with a frame around it, so click there. I am going to browse on my desktop for a picture. And I have it marked here, so Mickelson, I'm going to say open. Now you want it to be kind of smaller, so pick thumbnail size. It's not really thumbnail size, just trust me on that one. Pick that, and then say continue. Now here, alternate text, you have to fill that in. That's for people who are vision impaired or blind. When they come to an image, they have to know what it is. So just type in your name again. So it'll read the name to them when they come to it. And then go down to alignment and pick right. And this is to give it a little border. Just put in the number 2 and click insert image. There we go. Now you need to, it says it's uploaded, but now I'm going to click save. And down here you can say success. You've saved your content. All right, so that being done, I'm going to click back up to Ms. Mickelson's page link, and I'm going to click on contact information. Again, back to the old page. I'm just going to highlight. I'm going to copy it back to the School Wire page. I have to do Command V to paste. Click Save. And back to Ms. Mickelson's page. I'm going to click on Classes. Now back to the old site. I'm going to highlight and copy. Back to the School Wire site. Click inside, Command V to paste, and save it. Oh, I forgot a step, excuse me. Once you've pasted, click over here to Options. This is kind of crucial. And this box here, you need to check it. Show the app name on my page. So click Save, and now we're going to click Save again. Back up to Ms. Mickelson's page. And clubs and organizations. So first thing I'm going to do is click on the options box. Click that box so the title shows up and save. Now I'm going to go back to my old page. I'm going to highlight, copy, back to the School Wire site, and Command V to paste. Click save, and click back on Ms. Mickelson's page. All right, we've done all 5 of our sections, and I'm going to view the page. And as you can see, I have my heading or name, my paragraph, picture, information, classes, and clubs and organizations. As you can tell, there is no heading for the information, so that's a mistake. So I'm going to close this out. I'm going to go click back on contact information. And if you remember, you have to go into the options box and click that little show the app name on my page. I'm going to save it. Save again. Go back to Ms. Mickelson's page. I'm going to go over here and view the page one more time. There we go. It's all there. So that's great. Now under classes, this is where you might want to attach these to your Schoology page, and I'll show you how to do that now. So if you go back to classes, and you can do this at any time, you're going to highlight the title of your class, and then you're going to go up here to this one that says insert link. It's supposed to look like a link in a chain, so link, you know. So click on that, and then you're going to click on web address. So here it says HTTP already, so you just need to type in the address just for, you know, the purpose of the site. I'm going to type in the district council for Harding's area and here to see the link. So that's just district1council.org. And it already says it'll open in a new window, and that's good because if you're going off the site, you want it to open in a new window. And I'm going to say insert link. So now you can see it's a different color and underlined. I'm going to click save when I'm done with all my pages. Go back to Ms. Mickelson's page, link at the top, and I'm going to view page again. So now you can see under classes, this is highlighted, and if I click on it, it'll take it right to the site. So I can close that. We can close that. And you are finished. That's all it is. And we did this in just over 11 minutes. So let me know if you need any help, and I can help you. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.